Hey moms, we know the pressure you're under. You want a solid future for your son beyond his high school years, but the traditional path is too expensive, takes too long, and with AI, it's too uncertain. And motivating them, that isn't always easy. Let's work together. Introduce him to JTech, and let's take his interests and turn it into a career in the trades. With job-ready training right here in North Florida, in shops built for the real world, he can prepare to build a future for himself. These careers are essential and built to last, and employers can't hire fast enough. If you're ready to help your son to stop spinning his wheels, let's connect. Help him take his next step. Look us up, schedule a campus tour, and trade up to the trades with JTech.